Hello, Dr. Dana here. We're going to get started with Chemistry 1110, which is sort of an overview of the science of chemistry, which is the science of change. And the thing to realize about chemistry is that people have studied it for years, and there are large chemical corporations because chemistry allows us to make things we want or to keep bad things from happening, like explosions. In this class, we're going to use an atoms first approach, and in doing so, we're going to look at matter. And matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. So we're going to look at what that means on a